In this video I will show you how you can clean the inside of this hub very easily without taking your tires off with a very simple brush. Here we go, los kids. I've tried literally everything. I tried snow foam, and I have tried all sorts of brushes. Unless you get the tire off, it's very difficult to get to this. And then I came to one of my old wheel cleaning brushes from Zonax, and it has this texture here. Yeah, it's almost like a toilet brush, I would say. You can hear it, but it's not aggressive. And then this works really well. You can get in here very good. How it all comes flying right off. And I think the main purpose of this is if you just cleaned your car and you want this to look nice so that nobody can see it. This is an ideal solution. And it's so easy to get in here. I have full access. And I don't even need to take the tire off. Sehr schön. It just comes flying right off with this brush. Look at that. Sehr schön. In the result, let's take a look. It's completely clean. I was able to remove all the dirt. It's this type of grasses and crap and mud that gets stuck there. But there's nothing left. On the outside it looks very clean. And yeah, that's just a quick tip. With a simple brush, with the right brush, I'll put a link in the description to this one, you're able to clean this, and then your whole car looks way better. I hope you found it a useful video. Let me know in the comments how you clean this, and I hope to see you again in my future videos. Auf Wiedersehen.